How do you make your writing truly come alive? How do you take words on a page and build a world inside someone's mind? The secret is descriptive language, and it's more powerful than you think. It starts simply with adjectives. Think about a house. If you just write the house, it's a blank space. But what if you write the creaky, haunted house? Instantly, a story begins. Adjectives are your basic building blocks. They add color, size, and feeling. But to build a truly immersive world, you need to invite your reader inside using all 5 of their senses. Great writers don't just tell you what a forest looks like. They make you hear the rhythmic thud of a distant woodpecker. They make you smell the damp, earthy scent after a rainstorm. They make you feel the prickle of a pine needle under your fingers. This means choosing your words carefully. Avoid tired, overused words. Instead of good, why not spectacular or magnificent? Instead of bad, try dreadful or unpleasant. A light isn't just bright, it's shimmering. A sound isn't just loud, it's a screech. Every word choice matters. And this leads to the ultimate writer's trick. Show, don't tell. This is where you let the reader do the work. Don't tell me a character is scared. That's just a label. Instead, show me. Write his knees knocked together and his heart hammered against his ribs. Now, your reader isn't just being told about fear, they're experiencing it alongside the character. You've made the emotion real. So, the next time you write, remember this. You're not just a writer, you're a guide. Use adjectives, engage all 5 senses, and show the story instead of just telling it. Turn your words from a simple description into an unforgettable experience.